किसी ने कहा है कि जब तक तुम लक्ष्य को देख नहीं सकते तब तक तुम लक्ष्य को भेद नहीं सकते। जब तेरे लक्ष्य नज़र आने लगेंगे तभी तेरे लक्ष्य पे निशाने लगेंगे। ठीक है। सो बिफोर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट एनीथिंग्स आई टेल यू, प्लीज़ फोकस, प्लीज़ अवेयर अबाउट इट। Whatever you are going to do, please confirm this is for you or not. If it is not for you, don't do this work. Okay? So first of all, whatever you want to start, whatever you want to do in your life, you have to do research on that. Don't start blindly because someone is doing great on this area, someone is doing something better in this area. So don't start like that. You have to think about, I am capable of this or not. Can I do this one? I am able to do this work or not. If you are not able to do this, don't do this. Believe me, whenever you have an interest, like any field, any things, you have to do work on that side only. I'm only suggest people's, you have to be a honest. If you are honest for yourself, you can do anything in this world. So it is better for you and everyone, please do work for yourself. Don't do work for others. Don't create a brands. Don't create yourself as a some celebrity. You have to do a struggle like that, then only you can become. Otherwise, no one can identify you. No one can find you also. Even everyone is scolding you. Everyone, so many things will happen with you. But you have to be careful. You have some experience like that. You have to do this one. You have to do this thing, these things like that. I hope you understood. So why I have created this video? Why? What is the reason behind it? Actually, so many people are asking about, ask to me, "Hi, Prince, how can I get a job? Please give me some idea about it. What can I do? What can I do for it?" So I just simply tell us, don't do anything. Just sit inside your room and don't do anything. You got a job after 1 month, after 2 months, after 1 year, after 2 years, after maybe 5 years also, you got a job. But he tell, oh my God, why are you kidding me? I'm saying I'm not kidding to you. You have to believe yourself what you are doing. All informations are available on net. You have to go just and search on Google's. Just that.